Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change lock screen clock style in your Android phone. So at first, if I lock my device and then swipe for unlock, then touch and hold on the lock screen. Then draw your current pattern to unlock your phone. Now from here you can customize your lock screen. If you want to change your clock style, just tap on clock. Now here you can see 6 kinds of clock style, and you can set any clock style as you like. From here you can set digital clock style. Also you can set analog clock style. If you want to set this clock style, just tap here and then you can increase or decrease your clock size. You can also change your clock text style from here. You can set any text style as you want. Also if you want to change your clock color, then you can change it from here. You can set any color as you like and then tap on done, and it's done. You can see in my phone clock style has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change lock screen clock style in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.